VLANs are used to segment a physical network into multiple distinct broadcast domains, improving performance, security, and manageability. When PC1 wants to communicate with PC4 in the same VLAN, initial broadcast, PC1 sends ARP address resolution protocol broadcast to find the MAC address of PC4, broadcast to all ports, switch forward this broadcast to all the domain devices because it doesn't yet know the PC4. Direct communication. Once the MAC address of PC4 is learned, the switch updates its MAC address table and forward future traffic directly to PC1 to PC4. Communication in a VLAN. When VLAN are configured, the switch logically separates the network into a different broadcast domain. If PC1 and PC4 are in the same VLAN, the communication happens as above. Broadcast limited within the VLAN, within that VLAN. If the PC1 is in the VLAN 10 and PC3 is in the VLAN 20, then it cannot communicate directly without a layer 3 device, router or layer 3 switch to route between above VLANs. This enhances security. The sensitive data can be isolated to a specific VLAN, preventing access from unauthorized users of other VLAN. Devices flexibility and scalability. Devices can be moved across physical location without changing their network location as long as VLAN tagging is supported. Trunk, link, trunk links can span across multiple switches using multiple links which carry traffic from multiple VLANs using VLAN tags. ISIL for Cisco proprietary, but IEEE 8021Q standard is open source. In this video, we will talk mostly about the static VLANs. There is one dynamic VLAN also. In a static VLAN, remember that each host also has to have correct IP address information. For instance, each host in VLAN 20 into 192.168.1.0 network for them to become member of the VLAN. When you plug a PC into a switch, you have to verify the VLAN membership of that port. We are talking about static VLAN. On the other hand, the dynamic VLAN determines a node VLAN assignment automatically using the intelligent management software. You can have VLAN assigned on MAC address protocols or even application that creates dynamic VLAN. If you attach it to the unassigned switch port, the VLAN management database can look upon the MAC address and both assign the and configure the switch port to the correct VLAN. Makes work much easier because of user moves. The switch will simply assign them to the correct VLAN automatically. Key characteristics of VLAN: logical segmentation, broadcast control. As we have seen that broadcast is limited to that VLAN only. Security: other person cannot see the VLANs. If one VLAN cannot see the other VLAN, only members can. Unauthorized users, on the other hand, cannot access the resources. Flexibility and scalability: device can be moved across physical location without changing the network configuration as long as VLAN tagging is supported. ISL, inter switch link. This is of Cisco, and IEEE is 802.1Q is an open source, open standard. This is why ISL IEEE 802 is used widely and is recommended, and this overhead encapsulation is there. Add new header and trailer, 26 byte header and 4 byte CRC. Full check. Total is 30 bytes, and here is only 4 byte. Step by step live VLAN configuration using Cisco Packet Tracer. VLAN. Select switch, hold control, select this one, and 1, 2. Then end devices, PCs, port control. PCs are DTE equipments and switches are DCE equipments. So patch cable is there straight through. But if you have some doubt, then it is better to select port control and like this. This is cross-core cable dot line. All right. This switch is in ground floor. Ground floor. This is in first floor. Here is a VLAN. VLAN 310 for students. 192.168.1.25 and here this one VLAN 20 faculty 192.168.1.140/25. Make it this. Choose student. Make it more visible by choosing fill color. Now select, make it light yellow. Yes, yellow. VLAN 20. CLI enable, configure terminal, host name, ground floor, then VLAN 10, and name students VLAN 20, name faculty, exit, interface F0/3, the trunking port, switch port, mode trunk, it's up, interface F0/1, this is VLAN, VLAN 10, switch port access VLAN 10, interface F0/2, switch port access VLAN 20, exit, make it Control Z, copy, run configuration into startup configuration, show running configuration, it's okay. Okay. Now this switch CLI, make it enable config terminal, hostname first floor, interface F0/3, switch port mode trunk, interface F0/1, switch port access VLAN 10, oh, we have to declare exit, VLAN 10, name students, VLAN 20, name faculty, interface F0/1, S/1, switch port access VLAN 10, interface F0/2, switch port access VLAN 20, Control Z, copy running configuration, startup configuration, enter, show running configuration, yes, Okay, now this is IP address 192.168.1 dot number of this node 192.168.1 dot 2 to 128 192.168.1 dot 140 128 192.168.1.4 128 192.168 dot 1 dot 142 128 okay. Now I'll ping command ping to VLAN 10 member from this PC 0 ping 192.168.1.4 is running. If I think 192.168.1 dot which one? Let's take PC1 VLAN 20 from 110. Not possible. That's still not okay. Same thing. If I think from this PC to another V1020 PC, ping 192.168.1.142. Sorry, okay. Now simulation. Now packets will reach to the destination because it is in same VLAN. If I do the same thing with non-VLAN this PC to this, no, not possible. This is static VLAN and there is dynamic VLAN also. But for inter VLAN communication, we need router. Router is must to have communication between the two. In the next video, I will show you how to make inter VLAN communication possible. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on industrial communication. Stay tuned for more videos.